Hello! So today is gonna be my New Year's resolutions and reacting to my last year's resolutions to see what I accomplished and what I failed at. Woo! Last year I was so excited for the New Year's, couldn't stop talking about it, and this year I don't care. So yeah, I care a little bit. Okay, so 2020 resolutions first. So I want to hit 2 million channel views on YouTube. I think if I really try hard, like I have a lot of video ideas, it's just a lot of them are stupid and like nobody wants to watch them. So I need to like think smarter and upload a ton. I think if I did that, I could hit 2 million views. I'm currently at 727,000 views. So I could do it if I tried really hard. I mean, I would have to double my views, but if I try really hard, I can do it, I think. I also want to hit 30,000 subscribers. I'm not upping it from last year. My ultimate goal is to hit 100,000 by like my 21st birthday. Like I thought that would be really cool. I made that goal a long time ago and I'm not 21 yet, so that could still happen. Low chance, but could still happen. I feel like my goals are so cringy. So for Redbubble, I wanted to have 3,000 sales and make $3,000. It's basically like double that I have right now, but like I didn't even like try this hard. Like I didn't upload like that much. So I think I could do it. I found this website where you can like create your own makeup line. Like you like design the packaging and stuff, but like it's like their makeup and then you can like sell it like yourself. And I kind of want to do that. It's on my New Year's resolutions. You do have to pay like fees though, so that's kind of bad. But besides the fees, I want to do it. Okay, I also want to upload more of my Redbubble stuff on like other like Redbubble similar websites and get sales out there. I have some of the stuff on Teespring and some of the stuff on Society6. I think I only have like 3 sales on Teespring, but I also only have like 15 things up and I have like 300 things up on Redbubble, and I don't even think I have any sales on Society6, and I think I have like maybe like 20 things up on Society6. I don't know. Okay, so I say this in every single New Year's resolution video. I want to upload on Instagram and then I never do it. I feel like Instagram is like so hard to post on because it's like I don't care really what I post on like Twitter and Snapchat. Like I don't know, but for some reason like Instagram is on like another level and like my mind to where like I can't post stuff on it that much because I'm like this isn't good enough. But like I'll literally post like anything on my other social medias, so like I don't know like why it has such like a big spot in my mind. Okay, I want to upload stuff on TikTok. I'm like really bad at uploading stuff on TikTok. I just like do not care that much. I every once in a while I'll just do like a big spam and like post a bunch of stuff, but it's like really easy to like gain on TikTok. Like I'll like post a video and get like 5 followers, but I just don't want to post. But I do want to post, but I want to hit 1,000 followers on TikTok and I want to hit 100,000 likes on TikTok. I'll go to what I have now. I just like don't care, but sometimes people will like come to my YouTube videos from TikTok, so I want to make TikTok so people will come. I have 400 followers and 7,000 likes. Okay, I want to learn how to cook. I want to invest some in stocks. I wanted to do that last year, but I didn't do it. It was like it was kind of hard to like fill out the thing. Like I thought for some reason that it'd be like really easy. I told myself for so long that I was gonna like invest in stocks. Like I've been wanting to do it since I was like for like 2 years, but then before I was like 17, so it's like oh like I can't. Like you can invest in stocks, but like it's like a whole extra process because you have to have like a parent thing too, so it's like I'll just wait till I'm 18. I like got on the app to like invest in stocks and I was like turned on like when I turned 18, and then they like started, you have to like verify yourself like so many times. Like you can't even do it in one day because like I know I had to like enter like my driver's license number and then I had to like wait like 2 days for them to like verify and just to enter in so many things. Like I don't know, it's just so annoying because like I don't want to like enter all these information, so that's why I didn't do it. Okay, I'm gonna react to my New Year's resolutions from last year now. I wanted to get to 30,000 subs, which Did not happen. I'm so far. I wanted to get to a million views, to a million channel views. I was close. I'm at 700,000 now. I'm at over 700,000, and I feel like I could have done it if I like kept up my uploads, but like I don't even know what happened, but like in January I just like didn't post that much. Like I only posted like a few times, and then in February I only posted like a few times. Like I feel like I like just slowed down my uploads a lot during certain months, and I feel like that really affected me. I wanted to graduate from my associate's degree in December. I actually ended up getting 2 associate's degrees because I had so many extra credits, so that's fun. I haven't got my degrees yet, and I'm pretty sure I wanted to do like an unboxing of like my degrees and like film it, which I still can do, but then I realized that they wouldn't come until February, so it's probably gonna have to wait an extra month. I do want to do my unboxing. I wanted to eat more fruit. I think I probably ate more fruit in 2019 than I ate in 2018, but I didn't eat that much. I wanted to upload on Instagram once a week, more like once a month. During the summer I was like really active though, like I posted a lot during the summer, so then I stopped. I wanted to do stocks so bad, it's just I asked for so many things to verify and I got annoyed. Another funny thing is I was trying to see one day, wait, I didn't even say my Redbubble stuff. What's my Redbubble stuff on here? Okay, yeah, so I remember this. I for some reason just skipped over this on my list, but I said I wanted to get 500 Redbubble sales that year, and guess what? I got over 1,000. I like crushed that goal. I like didn't even expect it either. Like I thought, like I put like 300, and then I was like, wait, I can do better than that, and then I put 500, and I didn't even like expect to do it that easily. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my video. I hope you enjoyed. This was probably the most boring video you ever watched. I don't know, I'm just like boring today, you know, but it'll be better in the future. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below your New Year's resolutions. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. Add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and my goal of the year is at 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!